Hello and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today we will listen to music from the Middle East. This describes the musical elements shared across a region rather than a single country. It describes the musical style, traditions and instruments common across several countries, including Egypt, Iran, Iraq, Turkey, Lebanon, Syria and Saudi Arabia. This style of music is known for its rich melodies, complex rhythms, and unique sound. Music from the Middle East is played with instruments such as the oud, a pear-shaped lute, a daf, a handheld drum, and a darbuka, a goblet-shaped drum. Listen to this piece of music from the Middle East, focusing on the dynamics. The dynamics describe how music is played. Is it played softly and gently, or sharp and hard? Take a moment to think about these questions. Did you enjoy this style of music? How did the music make you feel? How would you describe the dynamics of the music? How did the dynamics change in the music? For your hands-on activity, play rhythms using different dynamics. That is, thinking about how you would play the music. Will you play it hard and sharp, or soft and gentle? For more information about this activity and related activities, please go to handsoneducation.com World Music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye.